Hi everyone, today I will talk about how to make an aesthetic phone like this but in the green color. You will go to Pinterest here, you will choose or you can search about green wallpaper like this. And here in this list you can choose or select any wallpaper you want on your Pinterest. I will choose this wallpaper like this. Then you can click on download image. Then you can go to your gallery like this here. In this page you will go to pins. Here you can go to this image. You click in this tree sign. Here you can go to set as wallpaper. Then this list we click on home screen. Here in this page you can edit your wallpaper like this and you can click on done. As you see, you will find your wallpaper like this. Then you can go to settings. You will go to themes. You will find it here. Then this page, you will click on design. You will search about green themes. You can just click here on this color. As you see here, you will find a lot of themes like this in this page. Or you can go to wallpapers, but I already chose my wallpaper. You can go to icons, but I will choose just the icons here. I will choose the green icons in this page. I will go to this here. This is green cat icon. I will click here apply. Then you will find it here like this, as you see. Here we click in this page like this and you can click on widgets. Then you can go to your gallery. Here you can click on images and stories. You can click to add. You'll find it like here. You can click on settings. After that you can click on images to show. You go to select images. Here in this page you can choose this image, for example, like this, and you can click on done. Here I will click on save and we'll add it, sorry, not here, we'll add it like this. Then I will choose another photos in this page but in the same way. As you see here, I added these four photos. Then I will add the latest photo here. You will go to widgets again. Then you can go to gallery. Here you can click on add. Then I will click here. I will go to settings. Here you can go to images to show and then you can click on select images. In the end you can choose or select any photo that you want. I will choose this. Then you can click here. Then you can click on save. And as you see, I will click here. I will make it like this. And as you see here, then you can add your apps like this in this list like this, as you see here. can choose anything you want. You can also do like this here and add another apps in this list here. So here, as you see, this is the final look. This is how to know how to make the aesthetic phone on the green color, as you see on Samsung phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.